Hey, welcome to section number 2 for the F sound. Now, in section number 1, when I explained how to make the sound, I explained it in a very basic way. I showed you how to make the sound. But now in this section, I want to show you visually how to make the F sound properly. So let's jump over to my screen and I'm going to show you how to make the F sound properly. Now, remember I said you needed to do something. You need to put your front teeth. So let's give ourselves some teeth. Got a little top lip right there on your bottom lip. And that's literally all you have to do. So once again, you have, let me get another highlight color right here. You have your front teeth. So your front teeth are literally, let's go back real quick. Hold on one second. I want to make sure that end looks perfect. There we go. Front teeth are going to be on top of your bottom lip. This is what I want you to remember. So again, let me show you really quickly. Front teeth, bottom lip. That's all you have to do. Like that. So again, F. Good job. F. Excellent. And that's how you make this sound properly. So let's jump into looking at some intermediate vocabulary words that use the F sound.